Welcome to this exciting journey. Ever wondered how things like paint, watercraft, waterbeds, wireless earphones and LED lamps come to life? We'll explain how they're made, how they work, their uses, pros and cons. Let's dive in. Paint production begins with pigments for color, resin as a binder for adhesion, solvents to control viscosity, and additives to improve performance. These are precision mixed, milled for uniformity, and then filtered to remove impurities before being packaged. Pigments include titanium dioxide for white, iron oxide for red, and chromium oxide for green. Solvents can be water-based or oil-based depending on the type of paint. When applied, the solvent evaporates, leaving a polymer film. This film forms a durable protective layer as the binder solidifies, trapping the pigment in place. Paint not only adds aesthetic appeal but also protects surfaces from corrosion, UV radiation, and wear. Modern paints are highly durable, versatile, and eco-friendly, especially water-based types. However, oil-based paints release volatile organic compounds that harm the environment. A personal watercraft's body is built from fiberglass composites for strength and weight reduction. Inside, it houses an internal combustion engine connected to a jet pump, delivering thrust via water jet propulsion. The engine drives the jet pump, which pulls water into an intake and shoots it out at high pressure through a nozzle. Steering is controlled by redirecting this nozzle, allowing sharp, precise maneuvers. Personal watercraft are ideal for water sports, tourism, and even emergency situations like flooding. Their speed and versatility are unmatched, but emissions and noise can harm aquatic ecosystems. Waterbeds are constructed from reinforced vinyl to prevent punctures. They include a thermal insulator, a water level regulator, and safety liners to contain spills. Water inside the mattress redistributes pressure evenly, supporting every contour of the body. Heated options enhance comfort by maintaining body temperature. They're popular in bedrooms for comfort and in medical setups for therapeutic support, minimizing bed sores in patients. Unparalleled in comfort, waterbeds also offer temperature control. However, they're heavy and can be prone to leaks. Wireless earphones include mini transducers, lithium-ion batteries, and Bluetooth modules. The components are delicately sealed within durable shells for portability. The device sends audio data via radio waves on the 2.4 GHz band. Noise-cancelling models add external microphones to process ambient sound in real time. From calls to workouts, wireless earphones provide seamless audio experiences in a variety of settings. Their portability is unmatched, but frequent charging is a drawback, and some models lag in audio quality compared to wired alternatives. Manufactured with semiconductor wafers, LED lamps use layers of gallium nitride to create an electron flow that emits light. Finished units include heat sinks for cooling and lens covers for optimal brightness. Electric current flows through the diode, exciting electrons to release photons. This process, called electroluminescence, is highly energy efficient. LEDs are ideal for residential, industrial, and automotive lighting thanks to their low power consumption. Highly efficient and long-lasting, LEDs are costlier initially, but save significant energy in the long term. Thanks for watching. Hit subscribe for more deep dives into the science behind everyday innovations.